Hello my friends, and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to do a little unboxing and review of the products from Temu. I ordered some photography equipment, accessories, and that's basically it. We will go one by one and to see what I got. Of course, package is few days in my home, but I opened to check if everything is here, so we can start right now. Okay, now I can move this package aside and get products one by one and to show you what I got. So first product for today will be hot shoe for camera with some phone holder mount or some lights mount, as you can see. My first impression, quality is, I will say, okay. It's plastic, this seems like it's metal, and that's basically it. You can screw here some phone holder or some light. That's first product, so let's try it. Here I have my camera, and to see if it fits. Okay, and here we go. This is how it is mounted on the camera, and we can adjust the angle so you can shoot like point of view or whatever else, or you can shoot here photos, and here you can shoot videos with your phone or whatever you else want. Okay, next on the list will be, I guess this is some lens filter, but we will see. Okay, I forget some knife or something for unboxing, but we will see. Yes, it is. It's some lens filter for kit lens, and what this filter is doing, it basically creates, maybe you can see, maybe something like this. It have 8 patterns, so it creates star flares and something like this when you do star photography. So let's try it on lens immediately. Okay, to see if we got it good, and yes, it fit perfectly, and I like it. I like it. I like the look, I like the quality, and only thing is to try it, but that will do tonight. Okay, next on the list is this chest strap, harness, whatever you want to call it, and I'm super happy because of this product, because I always wanted to make some POV of me going to take some pictures, and now I have it. Okay, wait for this screw. So what we have here is phone holder, which is like basic phone holders. You can switch few positions. It's made of plastic, and what we have here is this strap, this mount which go inside here. Okay, and with this part we can screw in this, and later we can attach here. Okay, we have to unscrew this probably. Yes. Okay, we will try it a little bit later, but you get the point. This is the product I really needed and wanted it for a long time, and I finally got it. Let's go to the next product. Okay, our next product will be this aluminium phone holder. Aluminium phone holder, sorry for that. I always wanted this, and I glad I finally bought it. And this is like dream of mine when I started photography, to be metal and to feel like more secure. And also I will show you some example. Here is a hot shoe mount we mentioned earlier, so we can screw here. Okay, and now we can put all that together on the camera. Okay, and okay, and now we have full usable camera and phone mount, and we can film all kind of stuff with this. So basically this is our fourth or fifth product, and I'm super happy I got it. Next on the list will be this, well, let's say a small tripod and a phone mount, but maybe we can screw even camera here. Also it came with this phone mount with two holes, and I got this so many these phone mounts, but let's demonstrate here with camera. Okay, I love this universal mounts. And okay, now you have like a mini tripod, but also you have like even mini gimbal. I mean, it's not like it has stabilization, but for something for yourself, I think it's good enough, and I think it can hold even camera, but better to use it with phone since it's much more lighter. But as product, it's overall very good. And the last two products will be one and the same product. So basically this is same, and this is magic arm, and this is useful for tripods or some car mounts. It's made of metal or aluminium, and I think it's very good quality. I got two of them, but I'm still waiting a clamp which can make this to attach on some poles or stuff like that. Or if, for example, your tripod is used with camera, you can attach phone with phone holder here and film, for example, time lapse when this comet was here. I really wanted, I had this with this clamp, so I can film on tripod with camera to make pictures of comet and make time lapse with phone, but unfortunately it didn't came right on time. But I'm super happy to got it, and that's it. And also a little bonus, what I get for myself personally is this a wallet, like carbon fiber and aluminum for cards. We have card ejection option, and this a little watch which is cute and only 1.5 euros, so I thought why not. So basically that's it for this unboxing. um, we will have few more packages in near future, so stay tuned for another unboxing videos.